the efforts of various teams of South Goa Police, we have been able to arrest both the assailants who were involved in yesterday's shootout. Both of them are being interrogated about the further details of the case, about their motives, preparation and conduct. Once all the facts we gather, after that we will share with you. Okay?
Sir,
We are investigating further.
they are contract killers as per.
As I said, we'll share with you. We are investigating and we are interrogating them.
They have confessed that
Yes.
motive behind it.
Sorry?
What is the motive behind it, sir?
Let us please allow us to investigate totally and then we'll share.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday, after the case was registered, we had formed multiple teams, and all the teams they scanned the area and did combing operations. And in the wee hours today, that is in the morning hours, we were able to arrest both the assailants who were involved in yesterday's case. Their names are Shubham Singh and Shailesh Gupta. They are natives of Uttar Pradesh and they both live in Mumbai. They work in as a crane operator and as a part-time driver respectively. And they came to Goa on the invitation of one of their friends, whose name we are further investigating into. And then they had visited the place twice, one on around 7th and 8th of July and one was yesterday. It was on a pretext of purchasing a property from the deceased, and in that text they had called the deceased and his friend. Postmortem of the deceased has been done today, and we have also subjected the vehicle to the FSL examination, and we have recovered a few articles from the vehicle. That includes the empty cartridges and the fired lead. And we have got police custody remand of both the accused for 7 days. So they are being further interrogated, and we hope to make the whole story clear. The motive is being ascertained, and the persons, there is a possibility that more persons are also involved in the conspiracy. And once we put all the pieces together, we will share the details with you.
सर ये सुपारी किलिंग का प्रकार था या इसके पीछे अंडरवर्ल्ड का हाथ है क्या, मतलब उस पर थोड़ा.
As I said, let us interrogate both the accused properly, thoroughly. Only once we ascertain all the details and the motive, then we'll be able to share.
So how long they have been in Goa, sir?
As I said that they came twice. They had met. They were meeting the deceased for the second time. So they had come earlier also, around 7-8 days back.
सर और भी कुछ लोगों को इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए कलंगुट अंजुना से लाया है क्या?
Abhi, because they had stayed here, so we are investigating into all of their activities while they were in Goa, so as to ascertain the details of the planning and the motive.
So besides these two accused, main accused, how many are arrested right now?
Sorry?
और कितने हो
और
सकते
कितने?
हैं?
मैंने जैसे कहा कि अभी हम पूरा उनको जो सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवेंट्स हैं उसको हम सबको मिला रहे हैं, उसके बाद ही हम शेयर कर पाएंगे. और मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया कि कुछ और लोगों की भी इसमें गिरफ्तारी हो सकती है.
सर एक्यूज ने कहीं कहा है कि उन लोगों उसको मारने के लिए आए थे, क्या कुछ खटपट हो गया और उन्होंने उनका खून कर दिया, क्या है?
नहीं, वो इसीलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ कि वो एक बार जब पूरा हम सीक्वेंस बना लेंगे उसी के बाद शेयर कर पाएंगे.
But they have confessed to the crime.
Yes, they have confessed.
Thank you.